Team Kaisa, kumusta na ka na? Kajet lang. Karyata ha. Karyata, usa-usa lang. Kaya ako na niya. Idumog. Karyata, usa-usa lang. Idumog.
Our trade partners are brought to you by Multi.
Relax lang.
And 3 winners of a free battery this afternoon. Our next partner is brought to you by Alcon. 15% off our brothers. They're also featuring the Lusa background sellers
Idumog ka ng kaupan.
and free merch for their games. And with
Mustikir na pagawas, para kayo dumugon ba?
money will be open again. Our next trade partner is brought to you by Cresta. Free funnel for every purchase of coolant and grape fluid, and free merch for the winners of their golf games. Look at the golf, sir. You know win the free merch. And our last trade partner is brought to you
Don't forget follow ha, follow mo. I-share na ninyo sa Facebook. Ha, follow mo na, follow. Share sa YouTube. Ini pala Bimorut.